Hi guys, welcome back. Let's round corners of a rectangular object like this square or a rectangle in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. So all you have to do is to click on the rectangle tool and then change the color to, let's say, red. And then to make a square, hold the shift key and then drag your cursor just like this. And then there are some points inside of the square which are close to the corners. So I'm going to drag this one so that all of the corners are all rounded, just like this. If you want to round only one corner, double click on the point and then drag it just like this. Ooh, fancy. Double click and then, adjust the roundness of the corner, just like this. Now it's easy. Let's make a rectangle. So, hold on, click here and then, deselect the red square and then click on the rectangle tool again, and then let's say if you want to color it orange and then make a rectangle. You don't have to hold the shift key while dragging the cursor. Drag one of the points inside of the rectangle to make the roundness of the corners uniform or the same, just like this. Double click on a point to round a certain corner, double click, round it, double click, round it, and then lastly double click and then round it, just like so. It's so easy to round corners of rectangular objects like these, and it will do so well if you want to design a flat design or any artwork. That's how you can round corners of rectangular objects in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.